we did Turtle Reef, we wanted to do something a little bit different. We wanted to reduce our carbon footprint, we wanted to reduce our energy use and our water use, and make something more natural for the animals that were in this exhibit. So that's how we came up with using wetlands to do the biofiltration for us, rather than the conventional methods that are typically used in filtration. If you go down to the coast, you see grasses growing along the coastline, and this is the grass that actually filters the water. It also creates habitats for animals. It helps with erosion from the land, just to keep the coastlines intact.